Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard a 2024 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. On the transom here, we have a pair of 300 horsepower Mercury V8 Verados. We have a nice transom live well here, a recessed stern seat in the transom wall. And forward of that, we not only have a nice aft-facing seat, but we have this nice cutting board and table area. And when put back in the seat position, you have this nice aft-facing seat. Boat comes standard with a port side dive door, makes for easy boarding or swimming. This boat is the upgraded gray upholstery, and it also has a black frame. On the dash here, we have a pair of 16-inch Simrad screens. The boat also has radar and a fish finder. Nice black acrylic dash the screens are mounted to, flush mounted to. We have joystick piloting with skyhook and autopilot. Great feature around the docks. Moving forward, we have a nice large head compartment with almost 6 feet of headroom. Huge forward lounge, fold down armrests. And the best part about it, it's about 3 feet deep, and there's a ton of dry storage underneath this cushion. Nice forward seating up here in the bow area. A removable table goes in this little stainless piece here. If you'd like additional information, please contact us, 781-727-0629.